What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks, put you at an advantage on the market. Today's ticker symbol that we're breaking down is TSLA, or Tesla. I have my lines and graphs already set to make this a little bit smoother and faster. We start from a higher time frame, that being the daily time frame, to see the overall direction and picture of our stock to further predict our analysis. So if you watched my previous video from yesterday, or not yesterday, it was a couple days ago, I believe, you would have caught this double bottom retest, which I predicted that would happen. We created this higher low and we bounced off this level. And if you look to where we're currently at, don't mind the lines, I'll explain how I found them in a minute. But this was where we bounced off our major support level. And how do we know this is our major support level? Well, we look left, you guys. We have all these candlesticks. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Pull it back to where we're at. We look to our left, you guys. We have tested this level many times. We go back even more. We have all these candlesticks hitting on the opposite side, working as resistance. Then once we broke above that on the breakout, we were bouncing off this level and then initially rode all the way up to our major resistance up here, and that's what that line represents. And this line over here represents the downtrend that we were in. We broke out above that, came back down, double bottom retest, created a higher low, and then we bounced off of that, and now we're hitting minor resistance. So up here is where we hit that minor resistance. So we looked left, we have all these candlesticks that was rejected in this area. So what I'm seeing is that right now it's creating a 50% retracement and is trying to create this uptrend. So we need further confirmation to show that the buyers are stepping up. So what I would do personally as a safe trader is I would wait for this to create a breakout above this minor resistance and for it to come back down and retest it as a new support level. So once we have that and identify that, then you could get in and set your stop loss below this minor resistance level, and then ride it back up to the previous highest point, that being the 880 level. And that's if you're a core trader. If you're going to hold long term, if you're a day trader or a swing trader, obviously these levels would be different. But as of right now, we don't have a clear direction on where we're headed because we're hitting this minor resistance. Who am I to say that if we hit since we hit this level that we're going to come back down and retest this major support level again? Do I believe that we're going to pull back to this level? Not necessarily, but from what I can see previously is that a lot of times when we hit this level, we tend to pull back. But as of right now, we are testing this minor resistance level. Like I said, I would wait for the safer entry. If you are more of an aggressive trader, you could get in right now. Just set your stop loss below the initial minor resistance, that being in the 650, 655 area. Remember, you guys, any trade that you're getting into, you need a trading plan. You need to set a target, you need to set an entry, and you need to set a stop loss or a mental stop loss, knowing when you're going to get out just in case things go sour. So you have two options. Like I said, you could either wait for this to pull back into the 660 area. So that way that'd be a full 50% retracement. As of right now, we just kind of pulled back a little bit and now consolidating. So like I said, I just want to make sure you guys are covering your portfolio, because money management is key in this, you guys. And then ultimately, like I said, for the safer traders, I would wait for a clear direction. Wait until we break above this 710 level for us to come up and come back down and retest this as a support level. And once we can see that, then we can further predict that we are in an uptrend, and then you can set your stop loss below that level, and then obviously wait for there. So if you guys like the videos that I break down, or the charts that I break down, then hit that like button and that subscribe button. I try to do these every single day. If there's a stock that you want me to break down, just put them in the comment box below, and if I have time, I will get to it, you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and safe trading and happy trading.